Mr. and Mrs. Carter's 43rd wedding anniversary. They are attending Dakotas Steakhouse, downtown Dallas. They have requested to get the waterfall view for this evening. So we are kind of giving them the experience of their choice as they get situated here. Nice little atmosphere.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take a picture with your daddy with the waterfall.
Got smiles, yes.
Uh-oh, sorry. Let's go get one with the fireplace. Let's go get a picture with the fireplace.
And I am their driver for this evening, Rona. Definitely got to dress the part.
We're gonna get one.
We getting one? We're doing a video right now, so we will definitely take all that's being requested. My assistant driver, Mr. Johnny Carter Jr., is driving around while we wait. Beautiful atmosphere, beautiful. Would you like for me to take the pictures with your phone? Yes, no, mine is okay. Okay.